The holiday seasons are upon us. Well, very close to being upon us. We're almost into Halloween. A few days from now will be October. It may be October by the time you see this video, depending on how long it took me to edit this video. But with the holiday season comes some certain challenges, more particularly some decorating challenges, some dangerous decorating challenges. Yep, I'm talking about extension cords being outside, unprotected. So this is your power supply right here, and this is your light, your outdoor lighting or your Halloween decorations in front of your house. Sitting just like that in your driveway or in your front yard, exposed to the elements, rain, well, sleet and snow if you're in the north and some of the colder states, but a lot of rain, water, electricity, they don't necessarily mix. Well, I have a solution for that. Enter this rather unique product right here. This is the extension cord. I don't even know what you call this thing, but I can show you exactly how it works. I don't know what we would call this, but we're going to call it a cord protector, extension cord protector. So we're going to open these tabs up here. Let me close it back up. So there's a tab here, and another tab there and there. Open those up along with that and that, and we reveal the center. What do we do with the center of that? Okay, I'm glad you asked. We take our extension cord that is exposed to the elements, and you can see right here in that little cutout, that's sealed. There's a rubber piece right there, a rubber gasket and a rubber gasket there, as well as a rubber gasket there and a rubber gasket there, which seals the case. You put your extension cord in said case like so, like that, and you close the case like so, but you're gonna make sure your tabs are out of the way. Make sure your tabs are out of the way before you close the case. Let's see if I can give you a better angle here. Let's try it like that. Yeah, that might work better. So we're gonna put this in a case like that, and make sure that that's in that little divot there or in that groove, and then make sure the other side is in the groove as well. We're gonna close our case up onto the extension cord like so. It's going to be a little bit of a tight squeeze. And if you look there on the side, you will see it is sealing that cord, that area where the cord goes into the case. It's sealing it from the elements with that gasket. So this will be waterproof, and you don't have to worry about water getting on your electrical connections for your Halloween decorations, your Christmas decorations, your Thanksgiving decorations. And then you simply close those locking tabs up. Close this locking tab up. Well, make sure you do the same thing on this side right here. Go to this side, close it up. You see that? It's creating a nice seal. Close that locking tab, and then you close the final two locking tabs. And now we have a completely weather sealed system to keep our connectors out of the elements. Now this case is very, very tough, very durable. The manufacturer of this case ensures me that you can practically run this thing over with a vehicle and it will survive. So you got a lot of Christmas decorations and you got a cord to cord connection sitting outside in the elements. This is a must have for your Halloween decorations, your Christmas decorations, your Thanksgiving decorations. And it is sealed from the elements. So you, your kids, your dogs, your neighbors, trick-or-treaters, Halloweeners. I was gonna say Halloweeners, but they're trick-or-treaters. They will not be coming into your yard on a rainy day getting electrocuted because your extension cord is sitting in a big puddle of water and you fried your neighbor's kids or you fried your neighbor's dog. It might work if you want to fry some coyotes that's just lurking around the neighborhood or whatever, but this is a fantastic product. Highly, highly recommended, especially if you do a lot of Christmas decorations around your house. Or it doesn't even have to be Christmas decorations. Anytime you have some type of outlet or power cord that is exposed to the elements, rain, sleet, snow, you want to make sure that it is encased in something like this to keep it protected, to keep you and your family protected from the danger of electricity and water. So it even has a little thing on the top so that you can mount this up against a wall or some type of a base to keep it up off the ground if you want to do it that way, which is even better than having this sitting on the ground. Mounting this up against a wall on something like that to keep it off of the elements or out of the elements is even better than having this sitting on the ground like that, but this will do the job either way. I hope this was helpful. I hope it helped you make a decision about purchasing this cord protector, this cord connector protector. I will catch you guys on the next review. Peace.